How can we increase the strength of our hashes, especially when using them as part of our password security? First, we can use key stretching. Key stretching is a technique that's used to mitigate a weaker key by increasing its effectiveness and thereby increasing the time needed to crack it. When you stretch a weaker key, the weaker key is run through an algorithm to create a longer, more secure key than is normally used, and it has to be at least 128 bits long. Many systems are going to utilize key stretching to increase the security they provide. Systems like Wi-Fi Protected Access, Wi-Fi Protected Access version 2, Pretty Good Privacy, bcrypt, and others all use key stretching. Another technique we can use is known as salting. Salting is a technique of adding random data into a one-way cryptographic hash to help protect against password cracking techniques like dictionary attacks, brute force attacks, and rainbow tables. Using a nonce is another method to help secure a weaker password, where a number used once, known as a nonce, is added to the password-based authentication to help prevent an attacker from reusing your password if they're able to steal it somehow. Another good tip to help prevent password cracking attacks is to limit the number of login attempts that are allowed prior to locking out the user. Normally, you want this to be set at 3 attempts, so if they enter the password incorrectly 3 times, the account is going to be locked. Yes, this can be a pain for the user, but it does increase the security and drastically slows down an attacker who's trying to guess the user's password and break into the system.